If you're looking to be central Lakeland, this home on the corner of Coventry and Edgewood is no exception. You're gonna love the fantastic location here. This home is adorable, meaning wood floors, remodeled kitchen, remodeled bathrooms, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Let's go take a walk through and get an idea of the design, the layout, a little bit more about this. Okay, so we're at 2814 Coventry. We're gonna do a walkthrough on this home, give you a good idea of the curb appeal. You can see you've got Edgewood Drive right here. Get to South Florida Avenue just a couple blocks this way, and it connects with Bartow Highway. Look at these old brick streets. So nice. So it's got a lot of original features. And Lake Hollingsworth is straight down that way. Huge lot, no HOA. The owner's done some really nice updates in this, so I want to show it to you. Let's walk up here and take a look. You got fresh landscaping out here, new plants, new mulch. One thing you got about the older homes, which is really cool, is just a lot of the character. I mean, even look at this, just stopping here. Plant ledges, really kind of just different. I love this. The white brick, there's a fireplace. You're gonna see that inside. Cool front porch with the black railing. You walk up, check out the terrazzo flooring. So pretty. Just again, it shows the character behind the home. So let's take a look inside. You're gonna see a new front door, but you're gonna see original, beautiful wood flooring. Step in here, because it's summertime here in beautiful Lakeland, Florida. I think I've neglected to turn my lights on in here, so this is gonna help. All right, so when you first walk in, look how big and open this room is. You can see, again, kind of something cool. You've got these little built-in bookshelf, nice high crown baseboards, the baseboards I mean, not crown molding. Fireplace, the wood burning fireplace right here to use your fireplace once a year in Lakeland when it gets 40 degrees. Some of you northerners are laughing at us. That's okay, we're used to it. We know we put on sweaters when it's in the 50s. Lots of, here's that plant ledge. So look at all the nice window space, all brand new blinds. So I'll show it to you from this angle. Huge room. Let's just walk straight in here. So when you come in the front door, make a right. Here is the dining area. So you could put a rectangle table right here or a big round table. Again, 3 windows is overlooking the carport. And then this is into the kitchen, which I'll show you in just a minute. This laundry room has had some nice updates. Love the tile flooring. Big laundry room. So it's kind of nice right here. You've got the water heater. There's your washer hookup this way. And then behind us is the full-size dryer hookup. All been freshly painted. Walking into the kitchen. Completely redone kitchen. I'm gonna take you out this way in just a second here. But I left another light off. So let me get into that. Here we go. Okay, back. All right, so here is, again, the same flooring as the laundry room. Stainless steel appliances include the built-in microwave. And these are all the white cabinets, which is just great. It's all soft close. And these are tall, so plenty of room to store your food items. And so in the subway tile for the backsplash is great. Check out this cool little sink. Stainless steel sinks right here. And this is overlooking the backyard. The corner kind of matches up with that. Nice little picture there. Okay, so that's your kitchen area. And by the way, fridge, GE profile. It's got really the high-end appliances, which is good as GE's top of the line. So to not get you dizzy, we just came in here. This is the flex room. So right ahead is gonna be a flex room that's gonna end up to the hallway and to the other 2 bedrooms. So we're not gonna count this as a bedroom. We're gonna count it as a flex room, bonus room, office. You could put or build in a closet here. This is a good sized room. I don't know if you can tell from my video, I'm backing up. It's a good sized room, so you could build a closet here, put an armoire in here to give yourself space to really, in fact, I'd probably build my closet in right here if you're gonna do that, or put an armoire there for your clothes. So a little odd because it does have 2 doors connecting. So really a great flex room. You could put your bed right here if you used it as a bedroom. Okay. Close this off here. This is one of your full bathrooms. Again, completely redone. Same countertop as in there. Really nice flooring, brand new toilet, brand new tub shower combination. It's really pretty and I love this. This is great for your shampoo. It's all nice and shiny and brand new looking. Don't you love that? And then you get the old flair with the new. Bring in the old, bring in the new. Here is just a area, just a big closet. Go figure. Nice size closet here. Now, I'm gonna go out on a limb. I don't know, this looks like an old attic fan, but I tried to find the light or a power switch to kick it on and it doesn't kick on. So I'm guessing that they painted it shut, or maybe it's not an attic fan. Maybe I'm not wrong, but I'm pretty sure it looks like an attic fan. Anyways, how about the little gaps here, the little, places you could just either put some glass there or just leave it open for circulation. There is the pull down attic stairs right here, by the way. You can see that. I'm gonna push that up a little bit. So I'm gonna back you up around here. So let's go back out the flex room and you're gonna see where we end up, but I wanna keep you in the flow. Front door. So we just came from the right-hand side, so if I went straight, this is where we just were, okay? So I've got master bedroom here. I've got other bedroom here. So right off of the main area to the left, okay? And this is where we just were. So coming through here, by the way, before you go into the bedroom, you have a closet here. Deep closet, linen closet, extra storage. This is the master. I love all these windows. 4 windows in this master bedroom. Really, really nice. Wood floors. Get your closet to the left. And then we're in the rear left of the home. And then here is your master bathroom. Shower only. Again, beautiful, beautiful shower. Nice, tasteful design. And then the same quartz countertop, cabinets, and flooring. So it's completely remodeled. Bedroom there. And then our front bedroom. It's right here, same thing. Plenty of windows, closet to the right. Lots of natural light coming in here. New ceiling fans, new paint. An adorable house. If you were looking for a great location, you want something updated, but yet you want something that still has the feeling of being in the 1950s. This is a great house for you. So let's walk out the kitchen. Let's show you this. Huge front driveway. Here's our porch. We just came up here with a terrazzo. So there's a carport straight ahead leading to a single car garage. It's really nice. So it sits up high, got some crawl space underneath there. Love how high it sits up. Pretty deep 1-car garage. By the way, look at this nice barrier, this nice landscape right here. 30-gallon palms, beautiful. And so this, of course, there's separate power here. There's your breaker box. It does have the door opener with storage up here. So nice size garage. I haven't even been around the back, but apparently we have a little bit of room in the back. Here's your, yeah, okay. Luxury vinyl, the solid fencing, the PVC fencing, the vinyl fencing, and this is fenced, okay? Discovering stuff as I'm doing my video with you all. So the yard's fully fenced. Let's take a look at the yard to get a feel for how big this yard is. It's massive. Huge yard. And then there's your area for your crawl space. And then this is back toward the front of the house. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of this home. I would love to show it to you, to let you get a feel for this home and what it offers right here in central Lakeland, Florida. Thank you so much for taking the tour with me in this beautiful home in Coventry. If you'd like some more information about this home or any other homes we've got listed, do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Whenever I drop more videos of homes in Central Florida or other valuable real estate content, we can connect and I can help you out. All my contact information is below. Let's connect and I can help you with your real estate goals. Have a good day, whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian.